What is up, guys? For those who don't know who I am, my name is Dave, and basically this is my channel for my car, where I showcase pretty much everything I do with it. Well, not everything, because I don't post that much, but like, some of the things I do with my car, and some of the shenanigans I do with my friends. So before we start the video, I want to give a big shout out to my sponsor, Monster Service. Those guys have been really great to me with some fiberglass parts for my car. The white body on my car is from them, and basically for this video we are unboxing the Duckbill wing from them, Monster Service. So I'll leave a link down below to their website where you can get some fiberglass white body parts, wings and stuff for pretty much, well, not every car, but a lot of cars. So let's get into the unboxing. Here is the package from Monster Service. So let's open this bad boy up. The shipping was pretty quick, I would say, because those parts are coming from Russia. And well, yeah, it took like what, maybe 2 weeks. Wasn't that long, but when you're waiting on car parts, you know the feeling when you're waiting for car parts. Every fucking day you're looking at a fucking tracking number, or waiting outside, waiting for the postman, UPS, FedEx. So here it is. Yeah, it's not that bad. For a fiberglass part, the finish is pretty smooth. There are no blemishes or anything. It has been pre-clear coated and pre-sanded, so it's basically like ready for paint. But I'm going to wrap my car, so it'll do just as good. I don't know if there's anything else in the box. Oh, we got some stuff. We got some stuff. Oh, thanks, bro. Got a care package from Monster Service. So, in the first Ziploc bag, we got a vinyl sticker, white vinyl sticker of the logo. Jesus. I want to lower that down so y'all can see. So yeah, and then what do we have next? This is the metal emblem. Let me see if this can focus right now. So yeah, this is the metal emblem that goes onto the wing. As you'll notice, if you order that wing, you'll notice there's a little square right there. This is where you put the emblem. So basically, you can choose to just like leave it like there, or fill it with Bondo or anything. But I'm gonna rep my sponsor, so I'm gonna put the emblem after wrap this thing. So yeah, it'll look nice. What we have here is a little card that says thank you for a recent purchase, and we really appreciate your business. We always remember our customers. Just feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Use the coupon codes by friends get. So guys, if you want to order something on the Monster Service, I'll give you my 5% discount code on their website. So it's basically best friends. So put that in your cart, and you'll have 5% off. The last thing we have here is a wooden keychain of the brand Monster Service. Pretty nice looking though. Just a little more on the wing. Like I said before, the finish is really great. It's a really great quality fiberglass. The wing itself has the like serial number, I guess. Mine is the 10th of Monster Service on the sticker right there. And you see made in Russia on top, their Instagram or Twitter. And even on the underside, there's the Monster Service logo like embroidered like beneath it, to let you know that it's basically an authentic Monster Service. I know a company called Boost Tech replicates this wing, but yeah, basically Monster Service had the original design. So yeah, I can't really test fit the wing right now because I live in Canada and my car is under a pile of snow. But maybe sometime I'll try to put my car in the garage to let the snow dry, and we'll test fit that thing soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you want some fiberglass wide body parts, wing, anything, go down in the link below at the Monster Service website, and whoever picked up the 5% discount code, well, use it, and see you next time, guys.